Friends, I'm Yashodai from First Step Institute, a gateway to unleash the potential within yourself. So we are in the series Learning Marathi Made Easy, and there are already 4 videos that are out in this series. Now we are in the 5th video that's on fruits and vegetables. So if you haven't watched the 4 prior videos, you can watch them in below description using the link that has been given. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel to receive more such updates. Now we have Dr. Pankaja Kategiri with us, who is going to take us through this journey of learning Marathi very easily. So Pankaja, over to
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so much, Yasodai. And we are back again with another Learning Marathi session. And today we are going to talk about very interesting subject, that is fruits and vegetables. Now, what are fruits and vegetables called in Marathi? Fruits are called as phara. Phara, yeah. And vegetables are called as bhajya.
Bhajia.
Bhajya, whatever. So even before cooking it is bhaji, and even after cooking it is bhaji. So when you're serving someone or you want to ask someone to serve you some vegetable dish, you can ask them, mala bhaji paije. So like, they'll serve you vegetable. Or you
Paije
go
means
to
I want, right?
yes, paije, I want, yeah. And even if you go to buy vegetables, you can say mala ti bhaji dya, hi bhaji dya. Even if you don't know the name of the vegetables, right?
He
At
means
least,
that. He
yeah.
means this.
Yes. Ti means
Okay.
that. He means this.
Wonderful, wonderful. Lovely.
Yeah. And what is this place where you get these fruits and vegetables called as? It's called
Sabji
as
mandi.
bhaji. Yes. It's here in Marathi, it is called as bhaji mandai. Mandai. Okay.
Monday.
Yes. So in Hindi, it is called sabji mandi, I think,
Yes.
right? In Marathi, it is called as bhaji mandai. Okay.
Wonderful.
And in Pune, if you talk about, there's a huge marketplace, and it's also called as market yard, and it is a place where you get all the vegetables in wholesale rate. So
Pimpri
anytime,
market? Are you
no,
talking about
market
Pimpri market?
yard.
Oh.
Market yard. The place itself is called as market yard. It's in Pune city, and from there all the vegetables get distributed all over Pune. So if you go to market yard, if you're in Pune, go to market yard and take kilos and kilos of vegetable. It will be dust cheap for you, just for your information.
Yeah, it was a lovely information. I mean, though I had been in Pune for 2.5 years, I never came across this market yard at all. All I knew was just Pimpri market, from where we could go and buy vegetables for our home.
Buy vegetables. Yeah, Pimpri market is also known. Chinchwad market is also known. Basically, Mandai is a place where you get vegetables and fruits, at a very reasonable rates as compared to outside your door. So
Understood.
it's always best to visit a Mandai. Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's move with fruits. That is called as phara in Marathi. Now, fruits or phara are something that is very useful and good for your health. I can say it as a doctor. Okay. So let's begin with fruits like grapes, the summer fruits, grapes.
My
Okay. Now,
favorite.
Oh, you like grapes? That's nice. So, what are grapes called in Marathi? They are called as drakshe.
Hey, even in Tamil we say drakshe.
Oh, is it?
Wow, lovely. Yes.
And in Hindi, what do we call it?
Angur.
Angur. So it's completely different. It's completely different. Yeah. So
now
that's
there's
good.
a scene between Tamil and Marathi. Wow.
Yes.
Great.
So,
yes.
Yeah, drakshe. So next time, Yasoda, your favorite fruit is drakshe.
Yeah.
What is a watermelon? Again, a summer fruit. What is a watermelon called as? It is called tarbuj, but it is very commonly called as Kalingad also. Okay?
Kalingad.
Yes.
It's like a name of the place.
Yes, Gad is generally a fort. Okay?
Yeah. Like Simhagad Fort. I remember that very well.
Yes.
Yeah.
So next time you want to remember Kalingad, you remember some fort it is.
Yeah,
So watermelon is called Kalingad, which is a very common word. Tarboos, very rarely people use it. It is also used, which is common to even in Hindi language. But Kalingad is something that is very common in Marathi for watermelon.
Lovely.
Okay. Now next is banana. What's a banana called in Marathi? Keli. So here it is close to Hindi, where
Okay,
they
we
say
use
la.
this special la a lot, right? In all the
Yes,
pronunciations.
yes. Ro is very commonly used, and it is like a tongue twister. You have to twist your tongue to pronounce
Definitely, and I'll never get the pronunciation. I've been trying a lot,
it.
but
Yeah,
it's being too difficult for me. I had to be very conscious when I pronounce that single letter.
yes,
I have to
and
be very conscious.
that's how you can understand whether this person is a localite or someone from other state with
True,
the
true, true,
pronunciation.
true.
Yeah, so
Great.
banana is called as keri. Okay.
Mhm.
Now coming to this ro pronunciation, there's one more fruit which has this ro
Pronunciation.
pronunciation.
Okay.
That is pomegranate. A pomegranate is called as darimb. Rim. So again that ro comes.
Darim.
Yes.
Okay.
Darimb.
Fine.
Okay, so that
It is just anar
ro.
in Hindi. Is that it?
Yes, very easy.
Yeah.
It's very easy. But if you come in Maharashtra and you want a pomegranate or a anar, you have to say, give me darim.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Great. I'll just
Yeah.
say, Maja ti falan paija. Will you understand?
Sorry, I didn't get you. No.
Hey, I want this fruit.
Okay, mala te. Then you go te.
Acha, te. Okay.
Te for paije.
Fine.
You point out
Fine.
or you keep your finger on
Yeah,
that fruit.
I'll be safely using this. I want this
Yeah.
fruit. Mala te for paije.
Ha,
Yes.
yeah.
Whenever
So it will be
it is a
safe.
tongue twister. Yeah, sure.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
great. Yes.
Now, another common fruit, apple. What is an apple called? In Hindi, it's called as sef,
Safe.
right?
Safe.
Very short. But in Marathi, it is called as safar chand.
Are you
Safar
sure?
chand, yes.
Why is it so complicated?
Maybe
Okay,
because
Safarchand.
fruits are something that it's very healthy, so they want everyone to be aware of the tongue twisters.
Lovely. Great. With
But I
this,
can give
let's.
you one easy one here,
Yeah.
which
Please
will
go
be
ahead.
very easy for you. Other than safarchand for apple, you can use orange to be on a safe side. It is called
Santra.
as santre. Santri.
Santre. Okay.
Yes.
Santre.
Santra, santri. Yes.
Nagpur is very famous for oranges.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Great.
In Nagpur, in fact, you can get everything in orange. You get orange barfi and orange Srikhand. Many things are available in relation to orange because it is
Lovely.
the common place where you get
Yeah.
oranges a lot.
The
Yeah, famous.
originating, the place
They
where
say
oranges originate.
if you go to the market, the vegetable selling person will also say, the vendor, he'll say ki Nagpurchi santri. Then people will get attracted because,
Lovely.
okay, this is something you need to
Lovely,
buy.
Pankaj, lovely. Shall we move to vegetables now?
Yes, sure.
Uh,
Vegetables, sure.
Great, Pankaja. So, shall we move to vegetables now?
Yes, sure. We can move to the vegetables. Now, what is vegetables called in Marathi? Bhaji. Okay. So let's start with something that is bitter. That is Karela. Okay. So bitter gourd is called as Karela in
Yes.
Marathi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is what is cucumber called that you use in a salad in Marathi? It's called as, any idea? You were in Pune, right?
In Hindi, it is kakda. I know that.
Okay, so very close. It's called as kakdi in Marathi.
Great.
Yeah. So we call it as kakdi in Marathi.
Okay.
Next is cluster beans. Cluster beans in Marathi is called as gawar.
Gawar.
Yeah. So in Hindi, gawar means someone who is illiterate.
Yeah, illiterate, unpad.
Yeah, but in Marathi it means a vegetable.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Great, great. Yeah.
Next is French beans, a
Mhm.
very favorite vegetable of mine. That is called as farasbi.
Farasbi.
Farasbi. Yeah. French beans is called as farasbi. Now you must be knowing in Sambar they use drumstick.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's got a very big name. So you'll have to pay attention. Okay, so
yeah.
drumstick in Marathi is called as shevgyache shenga. Shenga means seeds.
Shevgyache Shenga.
Yeah,
Lovely. I mean, in
yeah.
Tamil we say Murungakai.
Okay.
I don't
What?
know what it
How
is
you
said in
pronounce
Hindi.
it?
Murungakai.
Murungakai. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
But not sure what it is pronounced in Hindi.
See, in Hindi, I don't know. I don't know. Drumstick, what they call, we'll have to check out. But shenga means, seeds. And if you know
Okay.
groundnuts, groundnuts are also called as
Mm-hmm.
shengdane.
Shingdani.
Shengdane, yeah,
Okay.
shengdane, okay. So here shevga is a vegetable and uske andar seeds bhi rehte hain drumsticks ke andar, okay. So therefore it is called as
Shanti.
shevgache shenga.
Shinga.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah.
Great. Lovely.
Hmm.
Can we go with one more
Then you
vegetable?
Yes, yes. Now what is a red pumpkin called? Red pumpkin. So related to the see pumpkins are very commonly in Marathi called as bopra. So any type
Okay.
of pumpkin will be called as a bopra. Now what is a red pumpkin called? Very easy then.
Lal Bhog. No?
Yes, lal bopra. Yeah,
Great. Great.
yeah. And one more I can say is a very common vegetable, that is eggplant or brinjal.
Mm-hmm.
That is called as wangi in Marathi. In Hindi, it is called
Bangi.
as bengan.
Bangan. Yeah,
Yeah.
Bangan.
So in Marathi, it is called as wangi.
Lovely, lovely, lovely to know this, Pankaj. So great. So with this, we'll be closing the fruits and vegetables, and the next video is going to be on colors. So I'm sure
Yes.
all the kids are going to love that section. So until then, it's
Yes.
me, Yeshode, and Pankaja signing off. Bye bye.
Bye.